In the Prediction Wizard, you can select different input optimization levels above the Inputs tab. If you see an arrow circle beside an item, it means that it can be optimized. If the arrows are red, an optimization range has been set, while gray arrows mean that an optimization range has not yet been set. A black lock means that the input won't be optimized. For example, no input optimization builds a prediction and backtests it using the exact inputs and parameters you entered. It is marked with black locks beside each of the inputs. Input parameter optimization keeps all of the inputs you've entered, but changes parameters inside of the inputs, such as the number of periods or a time series if you select it. This is noted with a large black lock and a small red arrow circle. If you don't set any ranges, you'll only see a black lock. Input selection optimization picks which inputs to use, but doesn't change any of the parameters or time series used in the inputs. This option displays a red arrow circle, but the input parameters are marked with a small black lock. Full input optimization picks the inputs and changes the parameters, and is denoted with red arrow circles beside each of the inputs. The time series in the inputs are marked with a gray circle, but it may be optimized if more than one time series is chosen. Custom input optimization lets you select some inputs and/or parameters to optimize. This option is marked with red circles beside each of the inputs. You can lock entire inputs simply by clicking on the red circle until it turns to a black lock. Only the inputs with red arrow circles will optimize. You can optimize some parameters, such as the time series, and lock others. Once you've decided on which inputs and parameters you want to optimize, the next requirement is to select an objective function. The objective determines the best entry, stop, and exit conditions during optimization of the prediction. Click on Modify Prediction Parameters, and then the Training tab. You can click on the drop-down box to display a complete list of the optimization functions. The help file will provide the details. Move to the Optimization tab, where you can select other optimization parameters, such as the maximum number of inputs, how long to optimize the model across all chart pages, which selects the same parameters for all chart pages, and the shortest and longest training span. The trader attempts to satisfy this requirement, but the objective function is the primary goal. For more information, see the related videos on optimization algorithms and how optimization works in trading strategies.